This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, November 3rd. Yesterday we had the statement from the Federal Open Market Committee, which appeared to be the most dovish policy statement in almost 1 year, indicating that smaller rate hikes are likely ahead. That supported stock index futures, but very quickly we saw a downturn when Fed Chair Powell in his press conference basically told markets that interest rates could go higher than previously projected. We are seeing follow-through weakness today in the indices, but I'm inclined to believe that we will see some recovery in stock index futures later this afternoon. Currency markets seeing the dollar index trading higher in response to comments from Powell at his press conference yesterday. I'm thinking, though, that we'll probably see some long liquidation later this afternoon as traders reassess what Powell had to say, especially in regard to what other central banks have been doing. So look for some profit taking to come into the dollar this afternoon. Also, we had the Bank of England at its policy meeting today, hiking rates by 75 basis points as expected. However, the Monetary Policy Committee a bit less hawkish than some had anticipated, and that put pressure on the British pound. And the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing rather extreme volatility due to what took place yesterday with the apparently dovish statement and the apparently hawkish comments from Powell. We have no major Fed speakers today, but speakers will resume the speaking tour tomorrow. Also, there's a 52% probability that at the December 14th meeting, the Fed will hike by 50 basis points and a 48% probability of a 75 basis point hike. So major central banks have toned down their hawkishness, either in the rhetoric or delivering smaller than expected increases. So the Fed, a bit of an outlier, especially with Powell's comments. And I have a tendency to believe that some of his hawkishness will be walked back by Fed officials in coming days. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.